Hey everybody. I feel like I've been starting these videos like out of breath lately. Like I've been sitting down like, oh man, it's your boy Dog with a Vlog coming at you with a brand new video. Today we've got a brand new unboxing and I'm looking for something that we can unbox this with. Hold on. Don't want to make it easy with the scissors. Got to make it a little more complicated. Give me a sec. This will do. Today we're unboxing the shoes with the Phantasm pop figure from Batman the Animated Series pop figure collection. I love this show and I love this movie. I actually just bought it on Blu-ray, but we'll talk about Batman a little bit later. Let's cut these boys open. Hopefully. I'm trying to use the Phantasm's little knife. It's not really working. Yeah, it's really not working here. Okay. It's not working, so we're going to get something else. That won't do. No. Here we go. We've got a pen. Might work a little better. So this is a shoe, obviously as you can see, the Air Jordan 1 Shadow, aka Shiva colorway. Like I said, if you're a Batman fan, you'll understand that reference. If you don't, I'm about to fill you in. So in the Batman comic book lore, Lady Shiva, the most deadly assassin in the whole DC comic universe, is the leader of this dangerous group called the League of Shadows. Now you might recognize the League of Shadows from the Christopher Nolan Dark Knight trilogy, specifically Batman Begins. In reality, or in the DC comic lore, Ra's al Ghul actually runs the League of Assassins, but it was changed to League of Shadows so that Batman wouldn't seem like a thundering dumbass when it's like, well, why didn't he realize that a group called the League of Assassins was gonna kill people? Then he would have no reason to betray the monastery and leave the League, and then there would be no plot. Batman would have never become Batman. They had to make changes. Christopher Nolan had to do what he had to do. You dig what I'm saying? And I quite frankly believe that Batman Begins is the best of that trilogy, better than The Dark Knight, and is incredibly, in fact, criminally underrated. Let's take a look at these shoes. Got these off sneakers early, actually, so not sneakers, Nike Plus, but I got the notification that there was a pair available on hold for me. I scooped them up. This was actually a shoe that I was worried about getting this year, but I don't think anyone's really had any problems from what I've seen on Twitter. They seem to be popping up pretty quickly. Obviously, as you can see, it's just the standard Nike Jordan 1 box. With the red and black. The label's a little bit different. They've got the gold Jumpman on here, similar to like some of the newer Jordan models are coming in the black and gold box. And so this kind of matches that theme of the newer boxes, which is interesting. The colorways on this are black, medium gray, and white. So it's a pretty simple shoe. I did do a size 10. I do always go a half size down in my Jordan 1s. I think the leather quality they use makes them feel a little bit boxier. And have a little more room and a little more give to them, so I always size down. Let's take a look, though. First of all, let's breathe it in, guys. Fellas, shake it loose. Ooh, smells like brand new car, but it's something even better that will get you significantly less pussy. A new pair of shoes. Oh, yes. This might be the best smelling pair of shoes that I've ever gotten. So as you can see, it is the Air Jordan 1 in the Shadow colorway, just a standard black and gray. This is, of the Jordan 1 colorways, I think that this is one of the three that are essential to have, the other two being the Royals and the Breads. But these are off the fucking chain. Just looking at them, I'm about to fucking cream my pants, bro. Fuck. So let's just take a look at the shoe starting out at the bottom. As you can see, all black on the bottom with the Nike hit here, standard Jordan 1 outsole, with a white midsole that wraps around the entire shoe. Coming up onto the shoe, we have just a pretty nice leather. I would not call this anything exceptional. I would say, from initial touch, I'm putting it on par with like a metallic navy or metallic red, which were other Jordans from last year, but I would not put this anywhere near the quality of like a Royal or even a Shattered Backboard 2.0 or like a Bread 1. This, I would say this is a lower quality than that. I think there might have been a few more of these than those shoes, which is probably why they were early accessing them. I don't think they did that for the Royals or for the Breads. But if you're looking at the shoe, once again, you've got black around the toe cap and then a gray on the toe box. Coming up, we've got that black neoprene tongue standard once again with all Jordan 1s. And then the Nike Air in gray here on the tongue. Air Jordan patch in black, gray Nike swoosh. I mean, like I said, this is nothing too crazy. This is pretty run-of-the-mill Jordan with fine leather quality, and then just a whole leather upper on a Jordan 1. There's not really too much to write home about. It did come with a pair of gray laces and then a pair of black laces, which are already in the shoe. I'm definitely going to be keeping the black laces. I think that's kind of a no-brainer. Let me see if there's anything else, because sometimes there'll be other stuff that comes with the shoe, and I'll forget, I won't see it, so I won't review it. But nope, just 2 shoes. Let's take a look. Like I said, get the quick thumbnail. No, that's not a good one. What about like this? Let me know if you guys pick these up, if you guys are into the shoe or were wanting to pick it up. I've been doing a few reviews here and there on the channel, and I appreciate the support that I've been getting thus far from you guys as subscribers and new viewers and things like that. I don't really have too much else to add, if I'm being honest. Just kind of keeping it casual. Let's keep it loose, fellas. Dig what I'm saying? So anyway, I'm Dog with the Vlog. You guys are awesome, and I'll talk to you super, super soon. Peace.